Hi buddies and welcome to my channel Asab Trading. This is Asab with you as always. Today as usual we will be earning online with the help of binary options. Even if you are a beginner, by watching this video until the end you will definitely be able to earn your first $100. In the meantime, we will be growing my deposit today from a very small amount. I will show you how it's done when a trader has experience and uses technical analysis. Before we start, please subscribe to my Telegram channel, link in the description, and like this video and leave a comment cause it is very important to me. Let's get started. And so guys, time expiration today will be from 30 seconds and maybe around 1, 3, maybe 5 minutes. I don't know, it's for trading session. And our time frame will change today. And set your settings exactly like mine. Today we'll be using indicators such as MACD, RCI and parabolic SAR, guys. And so, time frame 30 seconds, guys, for this trading session, for first trade. And so let's find some fairly conventional situation in the market, guys. I am enter an upward trend, currency pair euro GPA, 30 seconds time expiration, and RCI shows us an upward bearish trend, and MACD 2 and parabolic SAR 2, and this very clear signal from 3 indicators. And so we catch first trade, guys. It's very cool, $33 on my amount. And so if you are a beginner and have absolutely no experience in trading, or if you have some experience in binary options, you can trade based on my signals absolutely for free with the opportunity to receive a promo code to double your initial deposit. All you need to do is subscribe to my Telegram channel, link in the description, and join my private channel where I publish between 6 to 16 trading signals per day. Just message me, teach me privately, and I'll provide you with more detailed information and help turn money off your financial dreams into reality. All you need to do is follow my actions step by step and be subscribed to my channel. Hurry up, Sports Unlimited. Join us now and start earning right after watching this video. I just go upward trend cause RCI and MACD shows us an upward trend. It's very cool, and parabolic SAR 2 gave us a clear signal for bearish trend, for bullish trend, I'm sorry. And you can watch these, guys. And so second trade in our pocket, guys. Whoa, it's cool, $63 on my account. And so gang, I'm going to downward cause MACD shows us intersection and line for 2 lines in the down zone. And so RCI just shows us a very clear signal for bullish trend, guys, bearish trend. And parabolic SAR 2 gave us a very clear signal for bearish trend, and yeah, we get this profit, guys. So it's very cool. And moving on, guys, it's very fast trading today. And so I'm correct my deposit and I change my time expiration for 1 minute. And so I'm moving on for another currency pair. And so okay, I'm going down, guys. And so for MACD shows a very clear signal for downward trend and direction. And so RCI 2 gave us the same signal. And when we look for parabolic SAR indicator, we can just find very cool motion and signal for downward position, guys. And so I think that definitely this trend will be bearish, guys, will be bearish, maximum bearish. And so we're just waiting for this profit. And right now this price just little bit dump, and I like this motion, and I think that it will be in our side, guys. Cool. This first trade and $232, guys. And so we're moving on. I want to tell about gangs. So, and I'm going to up direction, guys, and currency pair euro ruble. And so we can see that the price just moving to upward, very impulse. This was very big impulse. And look at this. RSI indicator shows us a upward direction, very good direction. And MACD indicator shows us a reversal to the bullish trend. Gang, we take this profit, guys. It's very exactly quick and true. And so moving on, I'm changing my deposit and so for one deal. And so I'm just moving I'm just moving on, guys, and find some conversion situation, guys. Oh my god. Okay, I'm going to downward position. MACD indicator shows us intersection, and these two lines lying downward direction, and candlesticks and candles lying to down position, guys. And so, and RCI2 shows us a very clear signal for downward direction. And if we watch for parabolic star indicator, we can watch that this direction will be very monstrous and falling down, guys. And so it is very good and objective. So we're just waiting for our profit, guys. Gang, we catch this profit. It's very good sum, guys. Just look at this, 800, guys. I begin from $70, you know this. And so I'm change time frame for 3 minutes, guys, and time expiration for 5 minutes, guys. And so it is very cool. I'm going to upward direction. Currency pair euro GBP currency pair, and so look at this 5-minute time expiration, guys. We just look for this definitely very well. And so we can see that the RC indicator shows us an intersection for support lines, and just a little bit moving to upward direction. And so if you watch for MACD indicator, we can see that this was two intersection for two lines, and these lines just moving to upward direction too. And if we watch for sticks and candles, MACD histograms, and we can see that these candles lying to upper zone, and it is okay. And if we watch for parabolic SAR indicator, we see that this indicator shows size for us upward direction, guys. And so it is very cool because 3 indicator shows us a very clear signal for this direction, guys. You can see that this motion in our side, cause this price very well just moving on to upward direction, and it is very cool. Look very wisely, and so my step look very wisely, and so 1 minute for gang. So we catch this motion, guys. It's very low. It's very dangerous. And so 3-minute time expiration, I'm changing this. And euro USDT currency pairs, and I'm just moving to upward direction. Time frame is 3-minute time frame. Time expiration is 3 minutes too. It's the same, guys. And what I can see, I see that this motion very construction, and I agree for this picture, so I can watch that the MACD indicator shows us an intersection, two lines, and a little bit. I think this will be reversal definitely, and so cause this stick candles change, and it is very good, guys. And so, and if we watch for a C indicator, it's just straight line, so, and just straight line, and I think that will be reversal a little bit too in the upward direction. And so if we watch for parabolic SAR indicator, we can see that this motion, it's shows us, indicator shows us that direction will be upward. And right now price fallen down, but you know, my dear subscribers, that for 1 minute or maybe 30 seconds, even 30 seconds can change everything, guys. And so we just watch for our direction and our motion, guys. Okay, I like this. Price a little bit grow. It's difficult trade, but all will be okay. I assure you, my so dear subscribers and followers to my Instagram and YouTube and Telegram channel, guys. And so 30 seconds for finish. It's very anxious and very nervous trade, and so I'm just waiting for this profit, guys. And so very nervous, guys. Very strong, very strange. It happened, I don't know. And 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, gang. It was gang, guys. It was very good gang. So we just catch this motion, and $3,000 on my account. I'm change time expiration for 1 minute and change time frame for 1 minute, and just moving on. I wanna make the last trade for today, guys. And so we just moving on, and so 1 minute, guys. I'm just moving up to 1 and 2 deal, and so 2 deals, guys, and very good. And MACD shows us intersection 2 lines and grow to be restrained, and RCI is the same, grow to be restrained, intersect support line. And so, and if we watch for parabolic SAR, it should definitely give us very clear signal for bearish trend, guys. And so for bullish trend, I'm so sorry. And so we just grow and grow and grow, and so it's very good. I like these green candles, very good, very like this. And so 10 seconds for finish, and 5 seconds for finish. 3, 2, 1, gang, guys. I don't know, it is very crazy. I begin today from $70 and I finished for 3,000, around $4,000. It sounds very crazy, guys. And so, and if you are tired of financial literacy, long working hours, and minimum wage, it's time to send all the way and start earning with me. If you are watching this video, it means you're already on the right path. Don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel, link in the description. And until next time, profit to everyone. Hugs to all until it crunches.